Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. From there, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to then hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now, power and volume up. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode, which you can see right over here. Now obviously in here we don't have very many options. We have the reboot option, and also we can access recovery mode from here as well. And to select either one of those options, you will use volume key, up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to stick with the reboot option, which will take me back to Android. So it's already selected, so I need to only press the power key to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.